This video is on how to do a Works Cited page using your iPad. Right, the first thing that we need to remember is that all of our formatting needs to be the same as the report, so 1-inch margins, page number, and last name up in the right-hand corner of the header. And then we're going to worry about how we format this last page. So the first thing that we need to do is put the title, and this needs to be centered. And it should be Works Cited and it should be centered. So we're going to go to the paragraph icon, and we're going to center it and type Works Cited. Now that we have that taken care of, we're going to put all of our sources. For the sake of time, I've already typed one in so that I can show you how to format it, because it needs to have what we call a hanging indent, meaning that the second line needs to be indented or tabbed. So we're going to come here, we're going to select it, and we're going to go back up to the paragraph, and we're going to use a special indent, and we're going to select hanging, and then everything that's not in the first line will be indented.